Senate dey wait for court judgement as Natasha plan to return on Tuesday. Welcome, country people, to Synok Media. We thank all of una wey dey view our channel. Abeg, subscribe if you never do so. Put on your notification bell. It go alert you of our updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The suspended senator wey dey represent Kogi Central, Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, he don declare her intention to resume legislative duties for the Senate on Tuesday after the Federal High Court judgment when he cancel her suspension and order her immediate reinstatement. But while the lawmaker dey prepare to return, Senate dey talk say e no go take official action until e receive and review the certified true copy of the judgment wey court rule on July 4, 2025. For one statement on Sunday, the chairman of the Senate Committee on Media and Public Affairs, Yemi Adaramodu, he confirmed say though the Senate legal team dey for court, the full judgment dem no read am for open session. He come say a formal application dem don file am to obtain the CTC for proper legal interpretation. He say pending the receipt and examination of the certified true copy, he say, and acting on the advice of counsel, he say the Senate go excuse himself from taking any steps when he go prejudice in legal position. That's what Adaramodu come talk. He come further stress say as no party for the suit don get served the enrolled order of the judgment, he say no enforcement go fit lawfully proceed. This point when the Senate dey make so na to prevent Senator Natasha make e no come start another round of problem for Senate, because already she don tell her supporters say as the court don make the judgment, e go show up on Tuesday for plenary, and that one of course e go start another scuffle. That is why the Senate spokesperson so dey outline procedures wey dem dey follow for such things to be done. Make Natasha know say e dey premature for her to come Senate for plenary when the Senate itself or even Natasha herself never get the enrolled order. And a good thing say Natasha herself na lawyer according to wetin dey for her CV, so she supposed to understand this position of the law. Na make Adaramodu dey stress am. Adaramodu come talk further say no party for the suit don get the judgment, so the Senate dey reassure Nigerians of im commitment to the rule of law and constitutional governance, because dey urge the public make dem remain calm and patient as the legal process dey unfold. However, the suspended senator don talk say she go resume legislative duties on Tuesday. The lawmaker talk this one for one video wey she share on social media when e start to dey trend on Sunday. That na where she thank her supporters, like we talked before, say they stand with her. According to how she put am, I thank una for una support. I dey glad say we dey victorious today. We go resume for the Senate on Tuesday by the grace of God. Justice Binta Onyanko, for her judgment, she ruled say the suspension e lack constitutional backing and ordered the immediate reinstatement of Akpoti-Uduaghan. The court, however, come find the senator guilty of contempt for a Facebook post when she described as a satire apology when they addressed to Senate President Godswill Akpabio. The post, the court come hold say e violate an interim injunction when the court issue on March 4, 2025 when e bar parties say make dem no make public or social media comments for the ongoing suit when e dey challenge her suspension. Justice Nyako come impose a ₦5 million fine on the senator for the post when dem deem say e breach the court orders. Akpotudwala dem come suspend am by the Senate for March after that controversial plenary session when e come turn rowdy over disagreements about seating arrangements for the chamber. Days later, the controversy come deepen when she come throw accusation against Senate President Godswill Akpabio for sexual harassment during one live television interview. For her ruling, Justice Nyako emphasized say the extended suspension of the senator e not only dey procedurally flawed but also deprive the people of Kogi Central of their constitutional right to get good representation. This statement by Adaramodu e dey timely, like we talked earlier, to assuage feelings and tempers, make e no come escalate again, because Nigerians don dey tire for all these dramas. Although we no know how long e go take the court to release the CTC for matters of this nature. Ordinarily, e no suppose to take time. So the belief dey say on Monday, as work resume, the application for receive expedited action so that make him forestall whatever plans each party get to cause more problem for the nation. Not be good optics say Nigerian Senate dey fight itself instead of to focus on their job when e dey to make good laws for the country. Instead, na internal matters when e dwell on personal aggrandizement, morality issues, na go dey go on, and then litigations go come in. That one na big distraction to the primary purpose of making good laws for the country. So e go good make both the Senate and the suspended senator make they adjust their expectations and actions, make e dey in tandem with the wish of the court, so that make this problem of 180 days or not, make e go permanently as the court don rule on the matter, except if the Senate intend to appeal against the ruling of the High Court for Abuja. But then e no go make good sense for the senators when e suppose to make law to be the ones when e no go obey the simple law when a judge don declare. However, we dey watch to see wetin go happen, and on Tuesday how this whole scenario go play out. But no doubt Nigerians dey look forward to more drama on Tuesday, as each party go wan keep up in threat so that they will look good in the eyes of the public. But then the Senate as an institution, e dey downgrade itself also for the eyes of the public. We just hope say common sense go prevail. Country people, how una see this development?